Many children dream of playing the guitar. Playing music builds confidence, creativity, and skills that last a lifetime. But traditional guitar lessons can be expensive and time-consuming. Driving to lessons, finding the right teacher, and keeping kids motivated to practice isn't always easy for busy parents. Kids Guitar Dojo offers a simpler and more engaging way for children to begin their guitar journey. A step-by-step learning system designed especially for young beginners. Our fast Track Fretboard system uses colorful markers that guide children like training wheels for the guitar. This makes learning faster, easier, and far more intuitive. Kids follow fun video lessons, play along with high-quality backing tracks, and earn rewards as they progress. Each lesson builds confidence and helps children develop real musical skills. Step by step, children move forward through their guitar learning journey, building rhythm, learning melodies, and developing the skills needed to play music. Before long, they're not just learning guitar, they're becoming confident young musicians who enjoy practicing and sharing their music. Start your child's guitar journey today with Kids Guitar Dojo, the fun and effective way for kids to learn guitar from home.